So here we have tzatziki, the traditional one, the yogurt dip with cucumber inside and a bit of garlic. Here we have tacos, traditional whole wheat rusks with feta, tomato and olives on top. Grilled halloumi with fig chutney and the toasted almonds. And of course the famous pita bread.
Of course, the
Enjoy!
Yes.
So here we have the traditional pita gyros. Usually we make it with pork gyros or chicken. We have chicken. And we put tzatziki inside. The really traditional one with grated cucumber and garlic. Usually we put some onions inside, tomato and French fries.
Sure.
Pork or chicken?
Pork, please.
And suggest that we put some virgin olive oil.
I'm gonna leave this right.
Here you are.
You can sit also, if you like. I gotta get some exercise.
Oh, right.
Beautiful.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Enjoy spam.
Thank you so much. Beautiful. The baggy this way, have a choice.
Please.
Full. Full and happy. Nice. Thank you.
Amazing.
Okay.